so full of shit. Go suck a bag of dicks. And you're telling me, motherfucker, shut up for a minute. Hold on a minute. I looked at his paperwork. That's paperwork, buddy.
Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing on this crash morning in the cryptocurrency market and blockchain technologies, on day 25 in a row of work. All notification, like the channel, and subscribe for all the latest education and information you need to fleece, heist, and shiest the market manipulators like I am here in the plant as we box fucking shit. I need you to box the fucking shit and then ship the shit. Okay? But bell notifications for all the latest breaking news and coin updates, whether you can hear me or not, is another thing. And you can see the Bitcoin price did something that we feared would be possible and plausible, is you come all the way down after getting rejected by the VP volume indicator. And if you were going to try to get bullish, one of the ways you could do it is you drop down and you come down to the 200-day moving average, and then you would have to try to hold the 200-day moving average and then kick back to the upside, right? And currently, right now, you've took the south road or the ladder, and you're back at the 200 or the 100-day moving average in blue. And if we go into the shorter time frame, you can see we're below the major moving averages. And now what you got to do and must do is if you trade back into this range down in here, you have to hold that, or you're going to do a full lateral move, a full lateral flush, a full lateral tank job, baby, all the way down to that $19,000 level. And then you'd have to try to have some kind of recovery on a local double bottom from the dump way back left machine, right? The same thing with the Ethereum. Had a huge rejection off of here as we were fearing major upper resistance. I don't remember where I left off, but as we were talking about, as we feared it might happen and what you need to have happen now on Ethereum after push through this major VP volume indicator to get bullish, if you come back down into here and don't hold this area, you could quickly end up back down here at 1696, and that would be a huge drop from up here. It's already been an 8% drop, but that could be a 21% drop to major underneath support at 1682.54. And then if you do break that range on the volume indicator and you turn bullish again or bearish by slipping below this critical area, you would quickly find yourself down here. And that is what we are fearing about the old Ethereum price, is if we don't hold this VP volume indicator red support zone, you're going to end up way back down here. If we zoom out in the 4-hour time frame, you're going to end up way back where this rally started, all the way back here into this blue trading zone in the way left machine, right? All the way back down there, even after this phenomenal rally up into here. I fear as you're going to end up back into here if you don't hold this critical support level there. And that's what we're watching out for. The same thing with Cardano now. We have broken down below this major support level, coming in on the moving averages. And if we drop the 200-day Cardano, we're coming all the way back down here to 26 cents. XLM is the same thing. It's had a huge collapse. And if you break the 10-cent level, you're going to come all the way back down to the 6 cents where you were back here. And then the bear market could continue in XLM, and then finish out with a little XRP love in here. Let's get to the old XRP. Let's see, where's XRP at? It's had an even shittier day. It's down greater than 6% after we nipped into here. And maybe this inverse head and shoulders that we were talking about has now just broke the neckline. And the targeted move is all the way back down here once again at the 37 cents. But we'll see if we can't get some support into these areas in crypto and try to get some kind of a big reversal as we head on into the week. As we have the US dollar coming up, natural gas has come down slightly. Oil has had a big down day for the first time in a while. Oil is down and down big. And that's a big reversal. Gold and silver are also having big reversals. Peace and love.